today is the day. We are going to get my 1957 Kenworth model 923, guys. Yeah! I'm happy. I am so very happy. And we're gonna bring it back to my house. So the schizophrenic neighbor will have something to complain about. A great big truck in my driveway. What do you mean, guys? Big thumbs up. How cool is that? Axle sliding forward. So tight. Better shoot that gap. Who's got a new Rusty Brading trucking hat? Who? You. Right? Yeah. And an airplane.
There it says free spool.
Yes, sir.
In and out, just to pull it out.
Which spool?
Free spool. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. That controls the winch. Look down there, see Rusty pulling on that winch? That lets it out. It is. What?
How do tires do like that?
The tires go up with air. I didn't hear you, Rich. There, Rusty's got it by remote. Oh,
Here with me.
that's awesome.
Okay, see that button right there? Just push that button. This one right there where my thumb's on. That one. Hold it down. Going up. You're driving. You're driving the bus. Keep holding it down. No.
Braden, big thumbs up. Attaboy.
Yeah, you're good. It's right there. You all right back there? There you go. Use both thumbs. One push there, one pulling, and then the two big ramps going up and down.
The door shut on it.
Oh,
Look through the cab.
gotcha.
Oh, the automatic locking system?
Yeah, exactly.
Here's what's going on. Number 57 is at my house, but it needs, oh, there's the evil neighbor. Look how they park their cars just so I can't have any room. We need to push it somehow. We tried a little compact tractor, it didn't work. And we need to push it right there. See? It should fit right there, nose up. I've got the whole, I got the side pieces, the nose, everything off, but at least it's here, it's home. I want to get it up there. So I've used 3 cans of PB Blaster and got everything well soaked. There's the box, there's the rods. I got the handles, the hinges, and then I soaked the motor. But I'm not relaxed because this thing's partially out in the road. And I need it up there by my garage. I'll feel a lot better. So that's where we're at. Courtney's gonna drive. Ready? Courtney, he's so awesome. Got a snatch block there. Winch pulling. We're doing pretty good. I don't want to get... What's that? Yeah, gotcha. I'm gonna go a little bit more.